Hey everybody, welcome to Tampa, Florida. It's El Super Bisto. I'm here to show you about the customization job I've done on my '07 Triumph Bonneville T100. New custom exhaust, everything like that. So let's get into it, show you what it's all about. Alright, as you can see, I removed the rear fender and I created my own rear fender mount for the brake light, which cost me about $12. I put a larger tire than the stock tire. The stock tire was at 130. That is a 160. And I can go larger, all the way up to a 170 without any modifications at all. We didn't know that till after the fact. Alright, as you can see that there. It has all the nice chrome. Love the chrome. That's a hand-painted pinstripe, straight from the factory. Hand-painted. I also have the rear seat cover. It's the 68 series badge and rear seat cover along with the pad mounts. Alright, we have the teardrop mirrors. I also removed the front fender, as you can see here, and I have my little Triumph pouch there to carry all my insurance and paperwork, so forth. The nice nice spoke rims. Okay. All right. See what we got here. This is the actual custom exhaust that we have done. It's an open flow exhaust. You can see it on this side as well. Alright, let's turn it on. See what this new exhaust sounds like. Alright. I also, you can't see because it's daylight, but I replaced the speedometer and tachometer with LEDs. So,